So beautiful people, thank you for watching this video. As we see, we are here to eat our food. This is night, okay? So this is 6:30 p.m. okay? So we prepare okra soup. Watch out how we prepare this okra soup. It's on my YouTube channel. It's on my YouTube channel. So follow us as we want to eat our delicious food. So Philip, Manila, wait. Philip has washing.
Philip, wait, let's pray. Okay? So, beautiful people, as you could see, before we could start eating, the rain chased us, so this is where we are.
So this is Ila Alasepo with white amala.
So, beautiful people, this is okra soup, okay? Yes. With,
now.
this is cassava fermented flour with maize. Okay. Beautiful people, this is so yummy. Please, you are invited.
You are invited. Yummy.
Wow, this is so yummy. I love this. Okra and melon soup with scent leaf. Eat. Scent leaf is also known as basil leaf. Eat. Let me show viewers what we are eating. Viewers, this is our meal for tonight. This is our dinner. This is our okra and melon soup. This is Philip's own. And this is Emanuela's own. Okay? And this is our white amala. This is so yummy, hot in this rainy season. The fish. Yes, okra. Yes. Please eat, eh? Eat. Yeah. The egg. Wow. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. We don't drop it. Oh, thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, share, comment.
Say bye-bye, Philip.
Don't forget to share with your friend and your family.
See you in our next video. Bye-bye.